Welcome back everyone to FLIX IT YOURSELF. A few weeks ago we renovated this room, did a gorgeous job, and the customer asked us we should purchase a cheap, beautiful bookcase where they could keep the silver as well. We found something on IKEA, we're going to share the link, but they had one issue, that the china closet was not properly sealed and the silver would turn yellow extremely quickly. Let me show you in 2 simple steps how to seal a china closet airtight so it doesn't happen again and it keeps beautiful for the next 3 to 6 months. Now the reason why it does get yellow is because it's not airtight sealed. You see over here, you have all the space over here, you have over here, all the space over here by the door, that it's not properly sealed. So what we're gonna do is, number 1, we're gonna put magnets. We got a good magnet that's very easy for everyone to install. And once we put the magnets, we're gonna be putting weather strip. This is like a felt. Once you put it around the door properly, it's going to be airtight, and that's going to hold the silver nice and beautiful. So this is the magnet. We're going to put it onto the door. This. Simple. Take the other one back, other backing. You put it over here. Now when you close the door, it has a magnet that keeps the door fully closed. Now you repeat the same thing. I'll put the magnet over here and over here. We repeat the same thing in the bottom. Okay, now the next part is, we're gonna put this around. We're gonna start with sealing over here, in between the 2 doors. Take off the back tape. Okay, now we need to cut it. Okay, so now we're gonna take off the doors so we can seal all the way around over here, around over here, around over here, and the bottom. So when we close the door, it's going to be fully sealed. Okay, now the doors are back on. It's fully sealed all the way around, as well over here. It's fully sealed. When you close the door, it's perfect. Now we have to make sure that the magnets work. We're going to adjust the magnets so it keeps the door properly, tightly closed. Once you do that, good.